So we're over here at Garrett's garage making a couple lighted whips. We got one done. Turned out pretty sweet. We just bought everything off of Amazon. We figured the prices to buy whips are just kind of ridiculous when you're looking at over 200 bucks for a couple.
Yep.
So
we thought we would try it out ourselves, and we got, we actually went with this brand is what I found this time. I don't think it really matters. You can buy what you like. That's the one I got there. So you're gonna need your strips, which run about, I think there's about 25 footers. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need your antenna. We went with this CB antenna. This is actually a 5/8 wave CB antenna. So that's what we're going with there. And then it will come with a remote. It will come with all of your power stuff and everything else that are hooked up. You're gonna need some shrink wrap material. So I've got different sizes here. That's how we seal up the ends. You're also gonna need the clear shrink wrapping, which this will go right over. So I actually just ended up getting a 10-foot piece of this is what it was called, shrink wrap. So
that's what, 3/4 of an inch wide?
yeah, this is 3/4 inch wide to go over the top. And later on in our time-lapse video, we might stop and should we share the secret that you just figured out, Dave, on how to get this on?
No, we don't want to.
Okay.
We want them to come to us to buy them.
Yep, sounds good. So you're also going to need a heat gun to be able to basically seal on everything in the heat shrink. Other than that, that's about it. Anything else, Dave?
No, dude, let's make another.
All right, so we'll make another one and we'll get them done. And then later on, we'll probably do another video showing you how to mount them and put them up on a razor.
Sweet.
So let me show you guys what we're going to be using today to get this job done and get this connection set up. So basically what I did is on Amazon as well, I bought 50 plus feet of wire set up for the LEDs, the RGB, and it's got its own colors. So you've got that. Of course you need some wire strippers. Some cutters are good. We also have a male and female waterproof adapters. I bought these. There's like a package of 5 sets, so we got more than enough there. Also, I wanted to try, I haven't tried these before. We've used the crimped chitin style, but these are actually heated. You just heat them with a heat gun, so you'll definitely need a heat gun as well. But you heat these and it solders the wire together and shrinks this around the wire and actually makes a solid connection. We've already used it here to build this, and it works great. So I bought a bunch of those. You can get them in different sizes for different gauge wires as well, but I got them for the small wires. So basically that's red in size. It just lines up with everything else that's red for that gauge. I also got some shrink tubing here that can go over the wire to seal our connections, prevent dirt and all that kind of stuff getting in it. And that's about it. So we wrapped that all up. We got 2 whips done. They're 4-footers. We've got them plugged in the wall for right now just to show you guys our finished product, but they're shrink wrapped and they're good to go, man. They're all heat wrapped or whatever and sealed. We got the top sealed so no water can get in. Everything's set up. Our next, work job that we need to work on is putting them on the razor, getting them installed.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we went the multicolored. They've got different options here. You just go with greens, reds, blue, whites. Do the jumps.
Freaking sweet. I like it.
As you're filming here, I'll kill the lights so you guys can kind of see what they look like as far as brightness goes. It works for me.
Yeah, dude. Yep. Just need to get them on the machine.
So if you guys are considering, maybe doing these or whatever, we bought everything off Amazon, just built them ourselves. But really, it was like hardly any effort, right, Dave?
Yeah. Once we got the first one figured out, the next one took like a third of the time.
Yeah, so this is the first time we've even tried to conquer this, but I think it turned out awesome for our first time, and the second one went even quicker. I think we're thinking 10 minutes maybe, 15 minutes tops, and we're good to go. Other than that, it's just like Dave said, putting them on the machine and getting them all set up and wired up, and we have some flags coming for them, and they're gonna look pretty sweet. So I think that's it from Deranged Off-Road. Peace out. This is Garrett, Dave, and Joe with Deranged Off-Road. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.